Hello everyone, welcome to the another lesson of this course, which is titled Mnemonic Techniques to Build Vocabulary. And this is the fourth series in the series of lecture. So this is the fourth lecture. So yesterday I missed lectures because my laptop got damaged, and I really apologize for that. So let's begin. This is about me. I'm Abhinav Anand. I'm a poet, a traveler. I'm a student of English literature from DU. I love to sing and listen to ghazals. Currently, I'm watching Harry Potter series. And please rate, review, recommend, and share my videos. And if you have anything to say, if you have any suggestion to make, do make it in the comment section below. Moving on. So this is our first word today, and this word is luxuriant. And this was asked in SSC CGL 2010 examination. And the meaning of the word is, the literal meaning of the word, there are two. So the first one is, which is in accordance to the vegetation that is shown here. So it means rich and profuse in growth. The vegetation that is rich and profuse in growth. So the vegetation of this kind. So this is the picture that shows that kind of vegetation about which we are talking. So the second one is regarding the hair of somebody, which is thick and healthy. So if somebody's hair is thick and healthy, in that case we will call the hair luxuriant hair. So that was it about the literal meaning of the word. Let's see the part of speech. The part of speech is adjective, and let's see the mnemonic that is here. So the mnemonic that I have used here, I have developed here, is again a bit strange. It's funny, but you see, that is how it works. The more funnier it is, the more strange it is, the better it is for you. So what I have developed here is, all of you must be aware of this soap, Lux, the traditional soap of India. I mean, it has been there since ages and ages. The moment I was born, the first soap I witnessed was Lifebuoy and Lux. So I guess all of you must have heard about this soap. And if you see, the first three words of this word, luxuriant, is lux. So there is lux, soap, in the word, but it represents thick and healthy hair. So lux is soap, but the word represents thick and healthy hair. So you see the connection that I have made is, soap is usually used for body, but shampoo or conditioner is used for hair. But here it is a soap, that is lux, and the word luxuriant, that means thick and healthy hair. So that is how it works. Moving on, our second word, again from the same examination, is onus, which means a burden, duty, or responsibility. The part of speech here is noun. Let's see the mnemonic that is used here. And before that, we can also see the picture here. So the picture here shows a man carrying these n number of men to a hilltop, and this was under the title of white man's burden. I hope most of us have heard about it, and I hope many of you have heard about it. So white man's burden is this term in which the whites justified the things that they did with Indians in order to civilize them. So that was history. That is history, right? So I'm not going into that. So let's focus here. The meaning of this word is a burden, duty, or responsibility. And the part of speech is noun. So mnemonic, what I have developed here is, imagine an old man saying, this is very common. So you must have heard somebody saying, yaar nas phat jayega, itna tension ho raha hai. I mean, the pressure building, the stress, it leads you to say something like this, कि I cannot take it anymore, अब ऐसा लग रहा है कि नस फट जाएगा मेरा. So that is what I am trying to say here, imagine an old man saying, "Oh, नस हट जाएगा मेरा इतनी responsibility से." So the more responsibility you have, the more burden you have, the more it is probable that you will have a nervous breakdown if you cannot handle that pressure, that burden, that responsibility properly. So that is how you can relate this word, and you can learn the meaning of this word. That this word onus represents something related to nervous breakdown, and what can lead to nervous breakdown is burden, duty, or responsibility if you cannot handle it properly. So that is how you can relate and learn this word. Moving on, our third word, again from the same examination, is derision. Derision means contemptuous ridicule or mockery. So ridicule or mockery is when somebody is trying to criticize you and trying to do it in a subtle manner, in a manner which is not very obvious, but obviously it is there to criticize you, to contempt you. So that is the meaning of these two words. And the part of speech is noun. So let's see the mnemonics here. It has ri of ridicule. So derision has this ri here of ridicule, and e of contempt. So de, this e, and it destroy, de of derision, your ability to rise. So this rise is, which is here, risi. I used it rise on. So rise on. So de-rise on. If you deconstruct the word, if you break the word, it's rise on. So it's something that will not let you rise on. You see the connection? It's something that will not lead you rise on, something that will pull you back down, something that will not let you show your potential. So de-rise on, what can be that something? That something can be contemptuous ridicule or mockery. So derision is a word that will not lead you to rise on. So that is how you can learn this word and the meaning of the word, because ridicule is something that we are all afraid of. And you know this very famous meme that was there, that सबसे ज़्यादा चीज़ें अगर नहीं होती हैं तो वो इस चीज़ की वजह से नहीं होती हैं क्योंकि लोग सोचते हैं कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे. that sentence, लोग क्या कहेंगे, kills the potential of a person. So that is how you can understand and remember this word, and also make sure that you rise on in spite of this word being there, derise on. So not exactly derise on, it's derision. So that is how it is. And this is a very interesting picture that is here. In this, it is written free speech. You can all see this. There is free speech written. There is a star mark here, and at the bottom it is written conditions apply. So this is very this is very common. So many of us must have seen this, that there is a very attractive offer, and on top of it there is a star mark, and below it is written conditions apply. So that is how, this is kind of ridicule of this hypocrisy that we have in society that grants us free speech. So moving on, our fourth word, again from the same exam, is trite. It means, it is related to a remark or idea that lacks originality or freshness, and is dull on account of overuse. So something called cliche can be a synonym of this word trite. So not exactly the synonym, but somehow they are the same. So that is one thing. Part of speech is adjective. Mnemonic here, which I have developed, is so many people have tried it that it has now become trite. So you remember this word account of overuse, you have to take this again in account. If you take this in account, you will find that this sentence perfectly suits the word tried. So if you want to remember the meaning of the word tried, you remember the meaning of remember this word tried. So it has been tried so many times that it has become tried. So that is how it works. The second mnemonic technique here is sounds like try it. So try it sounds like try it. So that means it has been tried a lot of times. So it has been tried a lot of times, that again leads us to this account of overuse. So that was it for this word. Moving on. Our fifth word is cankerous. I actually don't know how to exactly pronounce this word, so I'd like you to check this on your own and let me know if anybody want to let me know. I'll be glad to hear it in the comment section below. And the meaning of the word is bad-tempered, argumentative, and uncooperative. So this cartoon here exactly shows the meaning of the word. The expression exactly shows the meaning of the word. And the part of speech is adjective. So let's see the mnemonic technique here. To every job given to him, he said he can't. So this forward can't, uncooperative. You see, can't, he can't. He is uncooperative. And wo karna is left to us. So the word wo karna, us kaam ko karna, is left to us. So you see, the entire word is almost here, apart from that single word o. So o is not here, single letter, sorry. Apart from the single letter, the entire word is here. So if you remember this thing, this sentence, you can remember the meaning of the word and also the spelling of the word. So that was it for this lesson, and thank you for watching. Please give me your feedback and help me in making this course better. So leave your comment in the section below and rate the video, and also if you want to give any review, please do it. So this was it for the lesson, and I'm really sorry I couldn't upload a lesson yesterday because I told you that my laptop was damaged, and that is why I cannot upload it. So thank you for watching, and really sorry for that.